I'm glad you're back on my YouTube channel again. Today's video title is Breakfast Fixed My Skin, Hair, and Joints. No more pills. Imagine if I told you, there's a breakfast so powerful, it can make your skin soft and glowing, your hair shiny and healthy. And yeah, no pain in your joints. No pills, no costly creams. Just one simple, tasty breakfast. I tried it myself and honestly, everything changed in a matter of weeks. People started asking, "What are you doing for your skin? It looks great on you." And the secret was this breakfast. So stay with me till the end. I'll show you the ingredients, the recipe, how to eat it, and why it works. This could really change your morning and your health. My health problem. A few months ago, I had problems. My skin was brittle and dry, I had pimples and dark spots, my hair was falling out in the shower, and my knees hurt every morning when I woke up. I tried vitamins, collagen, and biotin pills. They helped a little, but not much. Creams, serums, high-priced shampoo. Too many. Too expensive. I thought, maybe I need to fix my inside first. So I looked for a food that helps skin, hair, and joints. Not just one thing, but all three. So here's the secret plan for breakfast. I actually talked to a nutritionist about this. She looked at me with a grin and said, "You don't need pills. You require the ideal breakfast." She handed me a list, a mix of healthy foods. Each one was chosen because it helps your skin, hair, or joints. I mixed them all together and honestly, it became my new breakfast. It's powerful, natural, and super tasty. She told me, eat this every morning for 30 days and see what happens. So, well, I did. Now let's talk about the magic ingredients. Here are the things you'll need for this breakfast, and you might already have them at home. First, oats. Either rolled oats or steel cut, about half a cup. They're full of zinc and silica, which are great for your skin and hair. Plus, they help your body eliminate toxins and actually keep you full longer. Next, chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. They're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which makes your skin soft and your joints strong. And they even help stop hair fall. Then, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. These are a natural source of healthy fats, encourage hair growth, and support healthy joints. They're also great for glowing skin. After that, turmeric, just half a teaspoon. It's anti-inflammatory, really beneficial for your joints, and it can help clear acne and brighten your skin. Honey is optional, 1 teaspoon if you like. It's a natural sweetener, fights bacteria on your skin, and gives you a nice energy boost. You'll also need 1 cup of almond or coconut milk, which is dairy-free and rich in vitamin E. Awesome for your skin and bones. And finally, half a cup of banana or berries, whichever you prefer. They add sweetness and antioxidants and support hair and skin repair. Making this breakfast is honestly so easy. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, put half a cup of oats in a bowl. Then, pour in 1 cup of almond or coconut milk. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Next, include half a teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon of honey if you want a bit of sweetness. Mix everything well, and then leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. This lets the chia seeds absorb the milk and thicken up. After that, just add some sliced banana or berries on top. That's it. Eat it with a spoon and enjoy it warm or cold. It's totally your choice. Now let's understand, why is this breakfast so powerful? For your skin, chia seeds and flax seeds have omega-3s, which make your skin smooth and glowing. Redness, acne, and other skin issues are all combated by turmeric. Honey keeps your skin fresh and clean. When it comes to hair, oats have zinc and biotin. They stop hair fall. Almond milk has vitamin E, which makes hair soft and shiny. And those seeds, they give your scalp healthy oils. For your joints, one of the best anti-inflammatory agents is turmeric. Omega-3s help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Oats give you energy without hurting your bones. So instead of taking 5 different pills, everything is in one delicious bowl for you. Let me explain what transpired when I began to consume this breakfast. In week 1, breakfast made me happy and full. No more junk food cravings. My skin looked a little better. In week 2, in the shower, I stopped losing my hair. My skin looked fresh. Fewer pimples. My knees were less stiff in the morning. By week 4, my face glowed. People commented, "You appear younger." My hair felt thicker. I could sit, stand, and walk without joint pain. And guess what? That month, I didn't take a single pill. Tips to make it fun. So, some people don't like eating the same thing every day, right? Here are some fun ways to enjoy this breakfast. You can add cinnamon or cocoa powder for extra flavor. Try using different fruits like strawberries, apples, or even mango. Add a spoon of peanut butter or almond butter if you'd like. You can also blend it into a smoothie. The main ingredients stay the same, but the taste, you can make it new every single day. Frequently asked questions. Here are some questions people ask me. First, can I consume this if I have diabetes? Yes, just use unsweetened almond milk, skip the honey, and choose low-sugar fruits like berries. Next, can kids eat this? Yes, absolutely. It's great for kids over 2 years old because it's full of natural nutrients. Another common question. I'm allergic to nuts. What can I use? Go for oat milk or rice milk instead of almond milk. And can I consume it at night? You can, but honestly, it's best in the morning. Gives you energy and starts healing early. Real people, real results. Here are some stories I got in the comments. Sarah said, my skin was always red. After eating this for 3 weeks, I stopped using makeup. Ravi shared, I used to take joint pain tablets. After eating this breakfast, I feel youthful once more. And Lena told me, my daughter had hair loss at age 12. She was able to get her hair back with this breakfast. Thousands of people are changing their health, one breakfast at a time. Therefore, it is now your turn. Try this breakfast for just 7 days. Take a photo on day 1, then again on day 7. You'll see the difference. No drugs, no pain, no stress, just food. Real healing food. Want more natural health tips? Subscribe and turn on the bell. Comment below. Will you try this breakfast tomorrow? Share this with someone who might need it, and check out our next video. Best night drink to burn fat while sleeping.